Hello everyone, I am Sima Bakhtar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture video, I will tell you how to install packages in R. There are three methods for installing any packages in R. The first method is a script method. Simply write a script on your RStudio interface that is install.packages and between the indentation in single inverted comma your desired package name. Second is the search method. Install packages from CRAN repository. For this, open your RStudio, click on the install from repository CRAN, select this and write here the desired package's name, and these packages will install by default in your R library. Here and finally write the name of the packages. Suppose I want to install a package name is SP, that is used for the spatial data analysis, and here now finally click on the install. Packages will install automatically on your R library. And third is the browser method. Install packages from browser. In this method, the packages are already downloaded in zip or tar file format. For this, select the install from packages archive. Here browser, click on the browser, go to that folder where the downloaded packages are kept, and finally click on the install. After then your package will automatically install on your R library. And these are the three methods for how to install packages in R. This will be used in this lecture class which which will held on the from the 4th April to the 10th April. Now for this we will understand these how to install these packages with a demo class. Okay, now first open the R Studio, and this will be so for this from you can search from here from R Studio. After then you can the first method is the script method. For this write down here install dot packages. Suppose I want to do write for this single inverted comma and write the SP package. SP is already installed on my this, that's why it is showing this. Okay, I no need to install because I have already installed this package. Second, from the click on the packages, go to the install. From this there is a two options, respiratory CRAN and packages archives. Click on the respiratory CRAN. Here write down to your desired packages. Suppose that SP is shown here, and then click on the install button, and your package will automatically install. This package is already installed on my R library, so that's why these messages are showing. Updating loaded packages messages are showing. Now the third method is the from the browser method. For this click on the packages, and when you will click on the package archives from, click the browser, and from here you can select the packages which have already downloaded. For this I have downloaded some packages and select any package. Suppose I select the ABIND package and click on the install. This will be ABIND successfully unpacked and MD5 subset. This packages has successfully installed on my R library. Please, if you understand how to install this packages in R library, please install the necessary packages on your R library for simplicity for your learning this online course. And if you really enjoy this lecture video, Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this.